I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
Hello Morgan's clan and welcome to the Morgan's Legacy. It's a cloudy day in Jamaica, and you know Jamaica doesn't have any season. It's either rainy or very sunshiny here in Jamaica. But today it's a cloudy day in Jamaica and we're headed to Kingston. This is the first in its series of food experiences that we'll be having. We're doing a restaurant up across Jamaica where we'll be visiting different restaurants, checking out their menu, eating some of the delicious food offer. Today we are headed to Lucky Crab and it's in Kingston, right next door to Active Homes. It's on Constant Spring Road. You can't miss it, not one bit. It's easily found. Immediately on entrance, we noticed that they have this little area that you can take pictures. What I love about it though, it is so unique. It is made from pallet wood with some greenery, as you can see, and then they added their sponsors, which is Red Stripe, and then the crab as which is their logo. As you enter the premises, I noticed that there's a area outside that you can actually sit and eat, just in case you don't want to be enclosed. There's a outside area that you can sit and eat. And then before we actually enter into the other section, now we notice that we have to still get our unsanitized, even though COVID restriction has been somewhat limited in Jamaica. But I love that the restaurant is still following those protocols. Our server took us to our seat. We wanted to stay inside because oh, the dirt look too cloudy. Made it afraid we're not gonna fall. But inside it is wonderful. It is for a kind of old design meet modern, as you can see from the lighting fixtures. There are recessed lighting, but the roof looks like, you know, older fashion, and then they have the crown molding going across. I love that. Whereas the nightfall, however, we get to see outside a little bit better, and it was wonderful. I love it. I love the ambience of the place. It was well lit for the persons who want to sit outside. The music was pumping. I mean, it's a really nice little lounge area, and I did enjoy my time here. Okay, so that is it for, you know, the view as it relates to what we had to eat. The menu was wide. There's a lot of different options. If you're a seafood lover, this is the place to be. They have fish tacos. They have the fish bucket, which is like a crab boil thing. They have soups. For persons who don't want to indulge in the seafood type, there are wings. They have the wing platter also. There are sandwiches and wraps, loaded fries. The options. For the options alone, I'm gonna tell you, this place was it. So we decided to get the creamy chicken pasta, and my husband got the bucket of seafood, and then it was time for a drink, okay? Name again? Holy water. Where's a rum in there, and it's holy water. I love it. Alright, thank you. So I got the holy water, and I'm telling you no lie, Shantalaba, spirit catch me. Man, it was strong. My husband actually got the cereal beer because he was driving and he wanted something lighter, so he got one cereal beer. But he got a little sip of the holy water to see if he would catch the spirit also. As for the vibes of this place now, let's get down into the vibes. So the music was playing, and what I love was that the crowd could enjoy the music. It doesn't matter if you are from a certain background, if you're older, if you're younger. I mean, here I am doing the bogle, right? So it was just a really nice chill vibes. A lot of old time Jamaican song playing. There were young people, there were old people, there were people, I'm not going to say whole, I'm going to say more mature persons, right? And then you have persons in the middle of both category. And I'm telling you, everybody was vibing and having fun. I loved it. I love that. I don't like going out and the music is lewd, and I don't like that. So I like the fact that they kept it nice and smooth. But then our food come. Okay, guys, get into this. So this is what you came here for. This is a restaurant review anyways. So here is my cheese creamy pasta, and my husband got the seafood boil. He got the garlic seafood boil. For the creamy pasta, it was jerk chicken creamy pasta. My God, look at that, guys. Look at that. This is Ralston's meal. There is sausage in there. There's crayfish. There is shrimp. There is crab. There's potato. Whew, that was a mouthful, okay? I don't eat shell food, so I did not get a taste is. But this is my dish, and look at this creamy goodness. There are 3 different type of cheese blend with oregano. There is basil. It was well seasoned. The chicken was well jerked and it was well seasoned. It was garnished with a little bit of shredded carrot. Look at the creaminess. Look at this creaminess, guys. I cannot stress how I love this meal. I had creamy pasta before, but by far this is so far my favorite. Listen to me. Mouth watering, and I'm just going back over, reliving this memory with you as I do this voiceover. But it was mouth watering good. The pasta was not overcooked, it was cooked al dente, and as I said, there are 3 different type of cheese. Use mozzarella. I think she gave me the other options of different cheeses, but believe you me, I did not hear her because I was really getting into this dish. If you have not yet tried Lucky Crab, go ahead and visit them. This is the only thing I can say is visit them. You will not regret this. Okay, so here's my husband now as he tried to navigate that big bowl of seafood. Initially, what he was thinking of getting the big bucket because he didn't think that this would be enough. But then I'm gonna tell you, when it says serving size up, people may not eat them something here, but my mouth water after when I see the crab, the crayfish, the shrimp. Look at the size of that crab. There are also sweet corn in the bottom of the bowl. I mean, it's like as he goes deeper in the bowl, there are more things to find. So after a while, people started to say, my belly full. Man, my belly ram. Full. Ralston bust, but him that pretend like him could have come more. Him decides say him a go eat him money. No food will be spared. But then he realized that, it was too much for him. And I think he wanted to box it up, but then he said, you know what, I'm just going to continue and a little bit leave. So guys, as I said, an empty plate leave now. We had a wonderful time. Look at that creamy buttery sauce that the crab was submerged in. I'm gonna use that word submerged because trust me, they were drowning in that sauce. Ralston said that the flavor exploded in his mouth as he tasted the garlic, the ginger, the pepper. Here he is, and finally gave up. And he loved the fact that it was really spicy and nice. You can actually get it mild if you wanted to. He actually finished the rest of my pasta because he said the pasta was actually the best he has ever tasted. And I said that too. I think this is the best creamy pasta that I've ever tasted. You can actually taste how well seasoned the meat was, the chicken breast was. It was well seasoned, well jerked, and then of course the creaminess of the pasta. Well, the spirit caught me, and I did a little shimmy and a little bounce, a little dance for y'all, and enjoy our time. Now it's time for us to do our review. So everything done and a time for review. So first up, we have our location. Out of 10, how much we give our location? It was easy to find, so it's 10 out of 10. Never hard to find at all. Presentation, I'm going to give them a 9 because I think that they could work on the presentation. Portion size, 10 out of 10. Really full. The taste, 10 out of 10. Believe you me, woo! Woo! Ambiance, another 10 out of 10. Guys, you did wonderful. I love that. For the price, it was $7,500 and we barely did adequately full. So again, another 10 out of 10, right? Believe me. So at the end of the day, we gave it 8 out of 10 ratings. There's room for improvement. As I said, the presentation need to be fixed. That was one of the major things for me. Service, I did not include that in the category there, but let me tell you something. Our server, Danica, she was excellent. She kept asking, what we doing, if everything was okay, if we wanted anything. She checked with us, ensure that we had water. I mean, I love customer service. When I go out and I'm spending my money, I like to feel like I'm spending my money. So Lucky Crab, I don't know if I own lucky or if I'm me lucky, but big up on the self, Lucky Crab. Big up on self. Alright, so this is the first in our restaurant up across Jamaica. I hope that you did like this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment as we race to 5K. Until next time, bye.